Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. So, today's topic is going to be working time settings for app protection policies. So, first, we will understand what is working time and non working time actually means here. So, it's the clock in and clock out time for an employee working in an organization. So, this new feature in the Intune will block the access to apps during non-working time and also block the notification on the app during the non-working time. So this is a long awaited feature, and now it is in the production. So we will discuss like what all admin needs to look into before they can implement this policy in their environment. So it applies to Android and iOS, iPadOS. It's obvious. It's for uh, single user device. And during non-working time, they get the notification on their phone. It may be that they are using their bio device, or a company doesn't want an employee, the frontline workers, to access the Teams app during non-working hour. Could be due to security related compliance policies. So, uh, without further ado, let's begin. So, first, we will talk about the feature. Uh, so, I have already told you this will limit access to apps or mute notification, and it's applicable on Android, iOS, single user devices. So, we will discuss limit access first. So, there are two apps currently which is supported on this, which is Edge and Teams app. So this feature, working time control, where you can limit access or warn the user uh, that it's a non-working time, or mute the notification, is a feature where app support team need to work on their app. Uh, so it's not a integrated into all the apps. So extra work is required on the app to leverage this feature in your app. So currently it is available for Edge and Teams, and it limit access during non-working hours. Another feature is mute the notification on the app. So it's applicable on Teams only. That makes sense. And we have a new um, option in Intune Blade where you can create a quiet time policy. What is most important is there are APIs which customer need to integrate with to send clock in and clock out time for their end user. Suppose we have an end user, and we cannot rely on uh, what shift time according to their local time zone, or the time on their device to block the Teams app, because it might change, or it can't be managed. So there is a option where your company clock in clock out app is integrated with the uh, work time API, and as soon as the employee clocks in, it sends the data to the work time APIs, and work time API will send those data to Intune service, and Intune service will uh, block or warn the user that it's non-working time. So we will see how it actually works. So end user clocks in or clocks out in their company tool, and that company tool is integrated to the work time API in MS Graph. Uh, As soon as employee clocks in, these APIs get triggered, and Intune service get the notification, and it block the access for the user on their devices. So without further delay, let's move to Intune portal, and let's see where it is. So from Intune side, we have a app protection policy to block or warn the user uh, during not using the app during non-working hours. So let's go with Android, and I will create a non-working time. So from here, we'll select. Let's select Teams. I will not configure this. So this is where you find this option, non-working time, and what condition you would like to implement block access or warn the user about the non-working times. Select one, go next, and then it's all similar. That's for blocking access or warning the user during non-working hours. The second one is uh, about muting the notification. As I told you, that is only supported on Teams app. So there is a quiet time policy here. You can create a policy. See, there are other actions as well, or you can select non-working time. So limiting works in slightly different. This muting the notification works slightly different at the backend. Which I will be not be able to discuss at this moment. So this must be required, and that's all. So this setting is enabled from Intune side. Now everything will be done from the working time API. As soon as the end user clocks in or clocks out, it will send the signal to work time API. Work time API will send the signal to Intune service. Intune service will send the signals to Teams app, and the Teams will block the user, or similarly uh, it will mute the notification. So that is all for this topic, and I request you to please like and subscribe my channel so that I can come up with new videos for you. Thank you. Bye bye.